Good morning, guys. Now, today I want to show you how to repair your Windows camera when it's not working. Let's say you're using a Windows laptop and your camera is not working. So, let's see, what can you do? The first thing, you'll come to your settings. Then you'll check your privacy. Privacy settings is here. Then you'll come to the camera here at the app permissions. Then here you'll ensure that your camera access is on. If your camera access is on, then you'll check if the apps that you want to run with the camera, that will use the camera, are they all on. When they're all on, then you're set. That is one of the ways you can check your camera. The second way is to physically check if your laptop has a switch that can be turned on or off. For example, in my laptop, it has a switch here. It can be turned on and it can be turned off. The switch is somewhere here that I'm showing you the arrow up here. So I can literally close the camera and open it when I want. And that's a really good thing with this HP laptop. Another thing that you can do is to restart your laptop. Restart your laptop to clear temporary issues. Unplug and replug USB camera, so try a different port. That way it can also help you because maybe your camera is not doing well. Another thing you can do is by running troubleshooting. Now, by troubleshooting, you'll come to your settings, then you'll go to system settings here. Then in system settings, you look for troubleshoot here. And then we'll go to additional troubleshoot. Let's see if we have additional troubleshoot. Noisy, other troubleshoot. And then we'll look for camera. We'll run our camera to check if there is any trouble with our camera. So by running troubleshooting, it will tell us whether our camera has a problem or not. And that's a good thing because the troubleshoot will literally tell you what the camera problem is, so you won't be troubled. So when the drivers are not updated, it will tell you. When there is any problem, it will also tell you. You see, now it's trying to check if there is any problem. Check what it's telling us. Camera settings unit 11 allows you to change the brightness, contrast, rotation, all this. Now you see. I blocked my camera, so you see. But it's all good. Thank you guys for today.